Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of brown mushrooms. These little powerhouses might look like they're straight out of a fairy tale forest, but their benefits are totally real world. Join us as we venture into their rich, savory realm, exploring not just their exquisite flavors, but also the myriad health benefits that make them a must-have in your culinary repertoire. So if you're ready to add some magic to your meals and boost your wellness game, stick around as we unravel the secrets of these humble yet extraordinary fungi. First and foremost, brown mushrooms, also known as cremini or baby bella mushrooms, are packed with essential nutrients. They are a great source of various B vitamins, including riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, and folate. These vitamins play crucial roles in energy metabolism, cell health, and nervous system function. These mushrooms boast an array of essential minerals such as selenium, copper, potassium, and phosphorus. Moreover, brown mushrooms are rich in antioxidants, including selenium and various phenolic compounds, which combat oxidative stress by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, contributing to the overall health and longevity of cells. Regular consumption of antioxidant-rich foods like brown mushrooms is linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Now let's explore how brown mushrooms can contribute to heart health. The dietary fiber in brown mushrooms can help lower LDL cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol and promoting its elimination from the body. Potassium content helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium, thereby promoting cardiovascular health. The B vitamins present in brown mushrooms, particularly niacin B3, play a role in supporting healthy cardiovascular function and blood circulation. The B vitamins, such as folate, are essential for converting homocysteine, an amino acid, into more benign substances. Elevated homocysteine levels are linked to a higher risk of heart disease. What's more, certain compounds found in brown mushrooms may support brain health, potentially improving cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. But the benefits don't stop there. Brown mushrooms are a source of dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion by adding bulk to stool, promoting regular bowel movements, and preventing constipation. The dietary fiber serves as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria and supporting a balanced gut microbiome. A healthy digestive system, facilitated by the fiber, ensures efficient nutrient absorption, promoting overall well-being. Fiber-rich diets are associated with a lower risk of digestive disorders such as diverticulitis and irritable bowel syndrome. Incorporating brown mushrooms into your diet can help prevent discomfort caused by irregular bowel movements and promote overall digestive comfort. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know brown mushrooms can play a role in supporting thyroid health? They are a good dietary source of selenium, a trace mineral that plays a crucial role in thyroid function. Adequate selenium intake is essential for the production of thyroid hormones. Selenium is required for the conversion of thyroid hormone T4-thyroxine into its active form T3, triiodothyronine. This conversion is vital for maintaining a healthy metabolic rate and overall well-being. Selenium's role in immune function can be particularly relevant for individuals with thyroid autoimmune conditions such as Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Adequate selenium intake may help modulate the immune response. Additionally, brown mushroom's selenium content complements the role of iodine, another essential nutrient for thyroid hormone synthesis. The combination of selenium and iodine is vital for thyroid health. Healthy thyroid function contributes to mood stabilization and the regulation of energy levels, helping prevent fatigue and mood imbalances. Thyroid hormones influence various bodily functions, including those related to reproductive health. So maintaining thyroid health is vital for overall hormonal balance. Lastly, brown mushrooms are naturally low in calories, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. The dietary fiber in brown mushrooms adds bulk to meals, promoting feelings of fullness and satisfaction, which can help prevent overeating. Incorporating them into meals allows you to increase the volume of your plate without significantly increasing calorie intake, aiding in portion control. Brown mushrooms offer a balanced combination of macronutrients, including protein and carbohydrates, contributing to a well-rounded meal that supports satiety. So there you have it, folks. A delightful journey through the world of brown mushrooms. They remind us that nature's bounty holds the key to our well-being. So why not add a dash of deliciousness and a sprinkle of vitality to your plate? Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.